Let's draw a unicorn.
Artsy with Mariah.
Welcome to Artsy with Mariah, where we turn a blank piece of paper into a colorful masterpiece. All you're gonna need for today's video is a piece of paper and something to color with. Let's go on our drawing adventure. Here is everybody's name who asked me if I'd be willing to draw a unicorn. I'm so excited. Let's jump into it. We're gonna start out by drawing the body of our unicorn. We're gonna start with the tummy, which is gonna be a little curve. And then we're gonna do the back of the unicorn, which will be a curve that follows the same direction as the tummy. Then we're gonna come down and draw our first legs. Straight down from the tummy with a line going underneath. Then we're gonna bring the leg up and the other leg up as well. If you guys ever feel like I'm going a little too fast, please feel free to pause the video or even watch it again. Now, let's draw the back of our unicorn. We're gonna come down from our top curve and curve it down to the back of our unicorn's legs. Once we've connected the back of our unicorn, let's go over to the front of our unicorn. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the front leg on our unicorn and we're gonna draw a line that goes up. This will be our unicorn's chest. And once we have that line that's going up, what we're gonna do is we're going to create the head of our unicorn. So you can watch me do it and then you can repeat after me. We're gonna start right here and we're gonna slowly draw a line that comes up, over, and then we're gonna create the nose of our unicorn and it's gonna look like this. And then it connects to the front of our unicorn. Can you guys kind of see how this shape is creating a unicorn body? I know there's a lot of steps, but if you guys keep practicing this, you're gonna be drawing your own unicorn in no time. Now it's time to draw the horn on our unicorn. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come to the forehead of our unicorn and we are going to draw a triangle. So we're gonna draw that horn coming up as a triangle to a point. Next, let's draw our unicorn's eyes. We're gonna do a dot with one eye on this side of the head. So let's create our dot. And I'm gonna add eyelashes to my unicorn. I think our unicorn should be smiling. So I'm gonna come and add a smiley face right here coming out from the nose. So it's a little curve, and then I'm gonna add a little dimple right at the edge of the smile. Very nice, you guys. Let's draw the ear on our unicorn. Because we only see one side of our unicorn's body, we're only going to draw one eye and one ear. Here is how I like to draw my unicorn ears. Now, just like horses, unicorns have a lot of hair, which is called a mane. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start adding hair to our unicorn's head and body to start giving it that really fun unicorn magical shape. So we're gonna add it to the front of our unicorn's face right here. Coming from the other side of our unicorn's horn, we're gonna add hair going all over the head and all down the back. I think it would be so fun if our unicorn had striped hair. So I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna add stripes to the inside of the hair. You guys can add these however you want. Now that we have our hair, we're gonna start adding some details onto our unicorn. Let's add the inside of the unicorn's ear, which is a smaller triangle on the inside of the ear. And let's add some hair that comes onto the unicorn's face. This way, it looks like the unicorn's hair is moving all over. I'm also going to add a little bit of hair that comes onto our unicorn's back. It swirls like this. And I'm gonna add stripes to that one too. This is all optional. You can make your unicorn hair however you wanna make it. Now it's time to add our unicorn's tail. Let's go over to the back side of our unicorn and draw a curve that comes off the body like this. It kind of swoops off the body. And just like we did to the hair, I'm going to add stripes on the inside of my unicorn tail. Now we're going to add little hooves to the bottom of our unicorn's legs, and that is really easy to do. All we have to do is draw 2 straight lines at the bottom of the legs. Now it's time to decorate our unicorn. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some polka dots on the back and on the front of our unicorn, just so I can make it different colors when we go and we fill in our colors today. You guys could do circles, you could do stars, you could even draw a rainbow on your unicorn. The fun thing about unicorns is there are so many ways that you can make them extra special. I'm also going to add some stripes that go across my unicorn's horn. This is totally optional, but I think it just gives it a little more personality. And now for my favorite part of the day, adding in the color. But first, while you guys finish up your drawing, I want to introduce you to my old friend. He's going to share with you the word of the day.
Hello friends, my name is Artsy Arthur. My old friend Mariah asked me if I'd be willing to come onto the show and share our word of the day. So let's get to it. Today's word is politeness. Politeness means using good manners and being respectful in our words and actions. I have many unicorn friends, and I have always been astounded by how polite they are. What a delightful bunch. So children, my question for you today is, how can you practice politeness? Speaking of that, I'm rather hungry for a bone, and now we'll head back to our drawing lesson with my pal Mariah. Toodle-loo.
Thank you, Arthur. That was so awesome. Now let's add our color to our unicorn. I'm gonna make my unicorn light pink today. So I'm gonna go in with a light pink coloring crayon, and I'm gonna start filling in the body of my unicorn. Feel free to make your unicorn any color that you want. Blue would be really cool, purple, yellow, green. The possibilities are endless. And what I love about unicorns is they kind of embrace a rainbow of colors. It's kind of like the more colors, the better when you're working on a unicorn. Once I've filled in the body of my unicorn, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna start adding different colors to our little details on a unicorn. So I'm gonna take a darker pink color and I'm gonna add color to the hooves of our unicorn, and I'm gonna go into the polka dots as well. Sometimes when I draw characters and they have a cute little smile, I like going in and adding a little bit of pink on their cheeks, and it makes it look like they're blushing. Once I have that, I think it's time to color in my horn. I'm gonna make my horn yellow on my unicorn, but it would be really cool if you made your stripes rainbow stripes or something really fun like that. While you guys are finishing up the body of your unicorn, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna start adding stripes to my unicorn's hair. I'm gonna add stripes that are light blue and dark blue. Again, you guys do not have to use these specific colors. You can do whatever you think looks super cool. Wow, you guys, I am so impressed with what we were able to create today. You guys did such an amazing job drawing your unicorns. Today's featured artist is Flora. Didn't she do such an amazing job on her castle? I love the orange and blue combination. Keep up the great work, Flora. If you would like to be our next featured artist, ask an adult to go to artsywithmariah.com to submit your photo. Remember, the sky is the limit when it comes to your imagination, so keep drawing and keep dreaming. I'll see you guys on our next artsy adventure.
Remember to hit the subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all things Artsy with Mariah. Until next time, toodle-loo, my artsy friends.